Hey everyone, let's be real. Subtitles are no longer optional, they're essential. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, TikToks, or professional marketing content, subtitles can boost engagement, accessibility, and even SEO. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add subtitles step by step, and I'll show you why RecCloud's AI Subtitle Generator is one of the fastest, easiest tools out there. Plus, we'll also check out a few other great alternatives. Let's jump in. First, why are subtitles so important? Statistics show that over 80% of social media videos are watched without sound. Subtitles keep viewers engaged, improve comprehension, and make your content accessible to a global audience. There are two ways to add subtitles. The traditional way, typing them manually, syncing line by line. It works, but let's be real, it's time-consuming. Then there's the smarter way, using AI subtitle tools that generate captions automatically in minutes. That's where RecCloud comes in. Let's walk through it using RecCloud's AI subtitle tool. Head to RecCloud.com/AI-subtitle. Step 1. Upload your video file. No need for heavy editing software, it works directly online. Step 2. Click Generate Now. RecCloud's AI will automatically recognize speech and create captions with precise timing. If you wish, you can enable the translation button, as well as removing the original subtitle, if any. Step 3. Edit if needed. You can adjust text, font, size, and placement. Step 4. Export in multiple formats. Burned-in subtitles for social media or a separate SRT file for platforms like YouTube. What makes RecCloud stand out?
Wow.
Speed and
What an
accuracy. It
But if I'm being
supports over
honest, I don't
100
hear anything in my
languages,
talk.
includes style
don't.
customization,
I
and
hear what the
even
internet
lets
thinks
you
of my talk.
translate your subtitles.
'Cause they're the
Perfect
ones
if
who
your
get
audience
seen
is
and get it
global.
shared.
And because it's cloud-based, you don't need expensive hardware or software. Everything happens right in your browser. Now, while RecCloud is my go-to for speed and accuracy, let's mention a few notable alternatives you might explore. Number 1. Kapwing, a popular online editor that includes subtitle generation with lots of styling options for social media videos. Number 2. Veed.io, another cloud-based platform with auto subtitles and translation features, great for quick edits. And number 3. Descript. More than just subtitles, it transcribes your video into text, letting you edit your video by editing words.
Quick tip, always review your subtitles, no matter what tool you use. Adjust line breaks for readability, and don't forget to style them to match your brand's look. A clean, readable font goes a long way in keeping viewers engaged. So, that's how you add subtitles the smart way, saving time, boosting engagement, and making your content accessible to everyone. My recommendation? Try RecCloud's AI Subtitle Generator at RecCloud.com/AI Subtitle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more creator tips, and let me know in the comments, what's your favorite tool for adding subtitles?